Welcome fellow cosmic learners. Today we will learn colors of this world. This is a red color. Red is a vibrant color often associated with passion and energy. Red. 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 This is a green color. Green symbolizes nature and growth, a color found in lush landscapes. Green. 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 This is a blue color. Blue evokes a sense of calm and is often associated with the sky and the sea. Blue. 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 This is a yellow color. Yellow represents sunshine and happiness, a color that brings warmth. Yellow. 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 This is a pink color. Pink is a soft and sweet color often associated with affection and charm. Pink. 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 This is an orange color. Orange is a bright and energetic color, reminiscent of the sun and citrus fruits. Orange. 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 This is a brown color. Brown is a warm color associated with earth and natural elements. Brown. 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 This is a black color. Black is a classic color symbolizing elegance, formality, and mystery. Black. 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 This is a white color. White signifies purity and cleanliness, often associated with innocence. White. 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 This is a gray color. Gray is a neutral color representing balance and sophistication. Gray. 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 This is a gold color. Gold is a precious and luxurious color associated with wealth and prosperity. Gold. 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 This is a silver color. Silver is a metallic color often linked to modernity and sleek design. Silver. 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 This is a beige color. Beige is a calm and neutral color resembling natural tones like sand or linen. Beige. Beige. Beige.
This is a maroon color. Maroon is a deep and rich color associated with strength and warmth. Maroon. 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 This is a sky blue color. Sky blue is a serene and calming color resembling the clear sky on a sunny day. Sky blue. Sky blue. Sky blue. This is a navy blue color. Navy blue is a deep, classic color associated with strength and sophistication. Navy blue. Navy blue. Navy blue. This is a teal color. Teal is a cool and sophisticated color, blending green and blue hues. Teal. 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 This is an indigo color. Indigo is a deep and mystical color often associated with intuition and spirituality. Indigo. 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 This is a magenta color. Magenta is a bold and vibrant color representing passion and intensity. Magenta. 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 This is a violet color. Violet is a charming and elegant color associated with creativity and inspiration. Violet. 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 This is a khaki color. Khaki is a versatile and earthy color often used in casual and military-inspired fashion. Khaki. 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 This is a salmon color. Salmon is a warm and peachy color reminiscent of the delicious fish it's named after. Salmon. 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 This is a lavender color. Lavender is a soft and calming color often associated with relaxation and tranquility. Lavender. 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 This is a crimson color. Crimson is a deep, rich red color often associated with passion and intensity. Crimson. 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 This is a plum color. Plum is a dark and sophisticated color resembling the rich hue of the fruit. Plum. 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 This is an olive color. Olive is a warm and earthy color inspired by the tones of olives. Olive. 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 This is a cyan color. Cyan is a bright and refreshing color often seen in the cyanotype photographic process. Cyan. 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 This is a blue-violet color. Blue-violet is a lovely blend of blue and violet hues, creating a harmonious color. Blue-violet. 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 Good job, kids. Keep learning, keep repeating. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more informative videos.